Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing for CELPIP Speaking Test, this video is your one-stop guide. I'm going to walk you through all 8 tasks, give you tips and do's and don'ts for each one, so you can boost your score with confidence. Let's dive in. Task 1, which is giving advice. What is the prompt example for that? Let's say your friend is deciding between renting an apartment or living with parents. What do you suggest? Here, your prep time will be 30 seconds and your speaking time will be 90 seconds. Tips for that: be polite and encouraging. Give 2 or 3 strong reasons with a small example. Give a closing statement. And the don'ts are: don't be too vague and avoid saying it depends too much. Don't repeat the same idea in different words. Task 2, talking about a personal experience. Prompt example: describe a time you helped someone. Here, your prep time will be 30 seconds and your speaking time will be 60 seconds. Tips: describe the situation briefly to provide context. Use past tense, show emotion, and reflect on the experience. Don'ts: don't jump into the story without setting the context. Don't speak too fast, clarity matters. Task 3, describing a scene. Prompt example: look at this picture and describe everything you see. Here, your prep time will be 30 seconds and your speaking time will be 60 seconds. Tips: speak as vividly as possible. Start your description by setting a scene. Speak like you are describing to a blind person. Cover all corners: people's, actions, objects, emotions. Don'ts: don't guess too much or tell stories. Stick to what's visible. Don't stay silent. Fill the full 60 seconds. Task 4, making predictions. Prompt example: look at the picture and predict what will happen next. You will be looking at the same picture you saw in the task 3, but here you will be making predictions. Your prep time will be 30 seconds and your speaking time will be 60 seconds. Tips: use future tense like will, going to. Make multiple predictions. Add logical reasons for your predictions. Don'ts: don't just describe the current scene. That's task 3. Don't say I don't know. Task 5, comparing and persuading. Prompt example: your friend is choosing between taking a bus or riding a bike to work. Persuade them. Here you will get 2 options to select. You must click on the option you want to speak about. Make sure to choose an option before 60 seconds. Otherwise, the computer will select it randomly. Then your prep time will be 60 seconds and your speaking time will be 60 seconds. Tips: compare both points. Use persuasive tone and clear comparisons. Support your opinion with logic or personal examples. Don'ts: don't discuss both options equally. Don't sound unsure. Be confident. Task 6, dealing with a difficult situation. Prompt example: you ordered a laptop online but it arrived damaged. Call customer service. Your prep time will be 60 seconds and your speaking time will be 60 seconds. Tips: start with a greeting and personal touch. Stay polite but firm. Clearly explain the problem and solution. Don'ts: don't get emotional or angry in tone. Don't ramble without a clear solution. Task 7, expressing an opinion. Prompt example: do you think students should wear uniforms? Your prep time will be 30 seconds and your speaking time will be 90 seconds. Tips: give 2 to 3 quality points. Keep your answer structured. Use linking words like firstly, moreover, finally. Don'ts: don't sit on the fence. Choose one side and support it. Don't forget to give at least 2 solid reasons. Task 8, describing an unusual situation. Prompt example: you see someone trying to break into a car. Call the police. Your prep time will be 30 seconds and your speaking time will be 60 seconds. Tips: start with a casual opener. Be clear, concise, and serious. Mention your location and actions you are taking. Don'ts: don't go off topic or over explain. Don't sound uncertain. Be assertive. And there you have it. Those were complete templates, tips and do's and don'ts for all 8 self-pip speaking tasks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more self-pip and English test prep videos.